Your liver is one of the most important organs in your body, responsible for hundreds of vital functions. It detoxifies harmful substances, regulates hormones, and helps with digestion. But what if I told you there's a lesser-known, highly effective way to cleanse fatty liver and restore its function? Let's dive into a surprising approach that may change how you think about liver health. Fatty liver disease is a silent condition that often develops without noticeable symptoms. Many people don't realize they have it until it has progressed. In its early stages, fatty liver may only show up as mild weight gain, particularly around the waist. As it advances, it can lead to fatigue, weakness, digestive discomfort, nausea, and even right shoulder or upper back pain. These symptoms often go unnoticed or are mistaken for other issues. Over time, if left untreated, fatty liver can lead to scar tissue buildup, known as cirrhosis, which can severely impair liver function. Causes of fatty liver disease. Fatty liver can develop from two primary causes. One is excessive alcohol consumption, which leads to alcoholic fatty liver disease. The second type, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, is often linked to poor dietary habits. The biggest culprit: high fructose intake, particularly from processed foods and sugary drinks. Fructose is up to 20 times more likely to cause liver fat accumulation than other sugars. Even more concerning, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease affects nearly a quarter of the population, and it's not just limited to those who are overweight. Thin individuals may also develop fatty liver and are often at greater risk because they may not realize they need to improve their diet. The role of methionine and choline in liver health. Recent studies reveal something fascinating. A diet deficient in methionine and choline can lead to fatty liver without causing weight gain or insulin resistance. Methionine is an essential amino acid that plays a crucial role in producing glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that supports the liver's detoxification process. Choline, part of the B vitamin family, is essential for breaking down fat and preventing fat buildup in the liver. It acts as a fat transporter, helping the liver remove excess fat before it causes damage. Common diet mistakes. When people think of cleansing the liver, they often turn to vegetable juice cleanses or low-fat diets. While these can be beneficial in some ways, they may not be enough to fully cleanse a fatty liver. Instead, incorporating foods rich in methionine and choline, like egg yolks, grass-fed dairy, liver, and cruciferous vegetables, can make a significant difference. These foods not only support liver health but also help produce bile, a substance the liver uses to flush out toxins and break down fats. Nutrient-rich foods for liver cleansing. To promote liver health, consider adding the following nutrient-dense foods to your diet. Egg yolks, one of the richest sources of choline, essential for breaking down fat. Liver and organ meats, packed with methionine and other nutrients that support detoxification. Cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower are high in antioxidants and phytonutrients that promote liver detoxification. Fatty fish, rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that support bile production and liver function. Combining these foods can help dissolve liver fat and support detoxification naturally. Reducing carbs and using intermittent fasting. Another essential step in cleansing fatty liver is reducing carbohydrate intake. A low-carb lifestyle, such as a healthy version of keto, combined with plenty of vegetables, helps minimize fat buildup in the liver. Intermittent fasting is another powerful tool. By extending the time between meals, your body is forced to deplete its glycogen stores and shift into fat-burning mode. This process can help reduce liver fat and promote overall metabolic health. Choline supplementation. In addition to dietary changes, supplementing with choline can provide extra liver support. Starting with a dose of 300 to 400 milligrams per day may help dissolve liver fat more efficiently. Choline supplements are available in both tablet and powder forms, making them easy to incorporate into your routine. You can gradually increase the dosage if needed, but it's best to start with a lower amount to allow your body to adjust. The importance of bile production. Bile is not just important for digesting fats, it also plays a critical role in flushing out toxins from the liver. Without enough bile, fat and toxins can accumulate, worsening fatty liver. To promote healthy bile production, consume moderate amounts of healthy fats, such as those found in egg yolks, grass-fed meats, and fatty fish. Avoid low-fat diets, as they can reduce bile production and hinder your liver's ability to detoxify. Balancing protein and fat intake. Moderation is key when it comes to protein intake. Too little protein can deprive your body of essential nutrients, while excessive amounts may place unnecessary strain on the liver. Aim for a balanced intake of quality proteins from sources like eggs, fish, poultry, and nuts. Healthy fats from sources like olive oil, avocados, and fatty fish should also be included in your diet to support liver function. Practical tips for liver health. Steam or lightly cook cruciferous vegetables to maximize nutrient availability. Choose high-quality protein sources from trusted suppliers to avoid additives and preservatives. Incorporate healthy fats to support bile production and detoxification. Stay hydrated to help flush toxins from your body. Conclusion. Empower your liver health. Cleansing a fatty liver doesn't have to involve drastic measures. By incorporating nutrient-dense foods, reducing carbohydrates, using intermittent fasting, and ensuring proper bile production, you can support your liver's natural detoxification process. Take control of your health with these simple yet powerful strategies. If you found this information helpful, please like and share. Knowledge is power to help others benefit as well.